Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Peace and Joy bundle. So here's the bundle. It has these nice words that you can cut out with the dies, as well as these extra words, some stars, leaves, and this holly right here. And then these dies cut out and they make layers, so you can do these 3 layers right here. So I'm going to show you how to put this together. But first I'm going to start off by creating this background. So for the background I used the buffalo check background, and I did it with my Stamparatus. So here's the Stamparatus, and I just placed my cardstock in here, just right here at the corner. And I used my crumb cake. I'm just going to ink up the stamp really well. And then I'm going to press firmly. On the stamp to get the ink on the cardstock, and I can check very carefully. You can see it's a little bit light right there, so I'm gonna press firmly right there, and that looks good. So there's our background, and I'm gonna layer it on this piece of Whisper White because I want it to pop. And if you layer colors on either Whisper White or basic black, I think it really makes them pop. So this time it's Whisper White. And then I also really like to pop them up on dimensionals because I think it also makes the layer look really nice as well. And we'll do one more dimensional for the middle. Alright, so we've got this all ready to go. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to just layer these 3 together. So I'm just going to grab some liquid glue and just put some liquid glue on the back of these. And that's all you do. Liquid glue is the best thing to use. It gives you time to position the pieces. And then we'll put some liquid glue on these as well. The words, little holly berries. All right, so now we're ready to layer. So we're just going to place this piece on our largest layer. That looks like I got this on me. I'll hold that down for just a little bit, and then we'll place this thinnest layer on top of here. This is the trickiest one, but we can move it around a little bit. There we go. Okay. And now we'll put some of the holly berries on our holly leaves, like so. All right, and I like to pop these up on dimensionals. So we'll put that right there. Then we can do sending joy. To you and yours. Then we can add our little holly pieces to the card. So we'll put one up here. Let's see, gotta get this to stay. Put one down here. And there's our card, Joy. Wishing everybody much, much joy and happiness this month and in the coming year. And as always, I have a card class available for this bundle. And it's free with a $30 order. You just go to my website and click on Shop Now and use the December hostess code. And then just send me an email and let me know that you would like this Peace and Joy card kit, and I will send it to you for free. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.